Namaste, welcome to YogaEndless by Anjali Pandey, and today's video is about sciatica. Well, sciatica is a very different experience for everyone out there, so my suggestion for you for this practice is to keep it as comfortable for your personal self possible. Okay, see what feels good to you and avoid what does not feel good to you. And in this practice, I'm going to help you with some stretches that can help you feel a little comfortable and help you relieve that pain that you're feeling or discomfort that you're feeling in your sciatica right now. Alright, let's get started by lying down. So find any comfortable position. You can do this on your bed as well. From here, make sure your shoulders are relaxed, chin is relaxed. We're going to take the left knee to the chest. As you take the left knee to your chest, extend the right leg, let it straighten, and just breathe here. Every time you exhale, try to relax. Try to breathe out in that region that you're feeling discomfort. One more inhalation. Exhale. Slowly release the leg. Straighten the left leg and take your right knee to your chest. One side might be a very different experience than the other, so see what is inviting for you in this process. Chin relax down, shoulders relax down, keep it gentle. Like I said, focus on every exhalation. Make every exhalation help you feel more grounded, help you feel more settled. Try to see if you can observe how your belly is moving as you inhale and exhale. And try to see if you can maintain this breathing throughout the practice. One more inhalation. Exhale gently. Slowly release the leg. From here, we're going to do single leg raises. So now, if single leg raises are not very comfortable for you, you can choose to skip them. You're going to start with bending both the knees. You're going to straighten your right leg and take it all the way up, just as much as your body is allowing you, and then slowly release. Again, inhale up, exhale, release. Relax your hands as you do this. Exhale, release. Inhale up, exhale, release. Inhale up, exhale, release. Last one, inhale up, stay, and slowly release. Again, bend the knee. Now going for the left leg, slide it down and take it up. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Let every exhalation make you feel that you're at home, you're at comfort, you're at ease. Let the breath be very coordinated with your movements. And slowly bend the knees. From here, see if you can bring both the knees to your chest. You can either touch just your fingertips or take your full hand, interlace it, and just let it stay to your chest. Chin down, shoulders relax. Draw your attention towards your belly. And you'll observe as you inhale, the belly is rising. And as you exhale, the belly is releasing. So it's giving you more space to feel settled in where you are. Don't force the stretch, don't pull or push. Just keep it where it is right now. From here, you're going to just take your hands on the sides of your leg, and just roll it softly, very softly. One good circle, second good circle. We're going to go 5 in one direction. Whenever knee comes towards you, exhale. Whenever knee goes away from you, inhale. 2 more. If you can do it without the support of the hands, that's also optional. You can do with or without the hands. And now reverse the direction, keeping it soft. Remembering the breathing, Every time knees toward the chest is an exhalation. Away from the chest is inhalation. Last two. And last one. Slowly bring the knees back to chest. Let it stay there. Don't force the stretch. Just breathe. And with the next exhalation, slowly drop your feet down. From here, you're going to take your right heel on your left thigh. This is called the figure 4 stretch. You're going to use your right hand on your thigh, not on your knee, on your thigh. And inhale with me. Inhale. As you exhale, let the thighs go away from you. So push from the right hand and then releases again. Again, inhale. Exhale, push it away. Inhale, let it come in. Exhale, push it away. 2 more times. Inhale, let it come in. Exhale, let it go away. Last one, inhale. Exhale, let it stay there. Breathe. You can continue staying here if this is intense enough for you. And if you want to add a little bit, you can take your hands through the gap. Left hand from the outside, right hand from the inside. And reach out for your shin bone or your thighs, whichever is accessible for you right now. Chin down, shoulders relax. Remember, you're doing this to help your legs, your back. So don't strain your shoulders and neck in the process. Breathe. Notice every exhalation is making more way for you. It's very slowly release. Take your right leg back down. Time for your left leg. Same thing on the left side. So take your left palm on the thigh. Inhale, let the knee come towards you. Exhale, let it go away from you. Again, inhale. Exhale, let it go away from you. Inhale, let it come towards you. Exhale, let it go away from you. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last one. Exhale and stay. Just breathe there. You can choose to stay here, or you can choose to try to take your left hand through the gap, right hand from outside, and try to bring your knees closer to the chest. Your right knee is trying to come closer to your chest here. Breathe. Reminder to relax every corner of your body. Keep your face relaxed. The most important bit. The more you relax your face, the more relaxed your body becomes. Slowly release. Release the legs back down. From here, all you have to do is turn to your comfortable side and find your way coming up to seated position. Okay, so we're going to sit up. There are a lot of more stretches that you can still do lying down on your back. My idea for this practice is to introduce you to some variations in this practice and see as much as we can explore. So you're sitting upright. See if you can sit tall. See if you find this more comfortable. Okay, one thing that helps is taking the flesh out from your hips. So take your hips up, grab onto it and remove that flesh out on the side and sit tall. Yes, from here just relax your hands down, shoulders relax. Just bring the toes towards you and away from you. Toes towards you and away from you. Towards you and away from you. More time, towards you, away from you. Stay here, keeping the toes towards you and breathe. Keep your spine long. Try to calm down your breath. Almost there. Have a gentle smile on yourself, acknowledging the fact that you're taking out time to give yourself the needed attention, required practice. and a lot of love. Slowly release the toes. That was good. From here, you're going to take your right knee to your chest softly. Okay. Option 1 is to keep the knees here. Option 2 is to cross over on the left side of your leg. Keep both the options accessible for you. See what is more natural and convenient for you. You're going to take your left hand and try to hug this knee. So you take your left hand from the front, wrap the knees into your hands and look back. Just a little bit. Your right hand is helping you sit tall. See if you can activate the left toes and try to bring it towards you a little bit. Yes. Breathe. Now draw your attention towards your belly. Try to breathe from there. Let the belly expand as you inhale. And relax as you exhale. Gentle smile on your face to thank yourself for being so amazing and positive, for taking out this time, for doing this for yourself. And slowly release. Come back gently, bring the legs back to center and guide it way into the reset. Always understand that whatever you're doing, entering or exiting, keep it in your control and remember how you enter, try to exit in the same way. Going with the same thing on the left side with the legs either on the same position or crossing over on the right side. Right hand wrapping the knee, lifting your spine from the left hand and looking back on the left shoulder. Just breathe. See if you can pull the right toe up facing towards you or at least towards the ceiling. And press the heel down on the floor and stay. Allow your shoulders to relax in the process. Allow your face muscles to relax. No strain in any part of your body. Address the process with love, gentleness, kindness, and consideration. Very slowly unwind. Get your knees back to center and extend it. Lovely. We're going to do this one more time. We're going to just press the heel down on the floor. Just that. And pulling the toes towards you. Press the heel down and stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Shake off your legs. Gently bring more alive movements in your body. Shake off your hands. From there, just slowly come back to center with me. Sit up nice and tall. Just sit up nice and tall. Place your left hand on your chest, right hand on your belly. Just take this minute, just short duration, to thank yourself. To share gratitude towards this process. And acknowledging the fact that you're making these small steps and efforts towards the newer you, the brighter you, and the healthier you. Give yourself a gentle hug, nice warm hug with a lot of love and a gentle smile, inviting good energy. And gently relax your hands. Slowly come back to the center and present. The healing process and dealing with any kind of pain is a journey which requires a lot of patience. So don't lose hope in yourself and don't give up on it. Don't dive into the easy painkiller option because it's not something that is a long-term option. You need to find solution for yourself, and that's what the video is about. Trying to take slow, small steps towards the healthier you, the better you in your healing journey. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you find this practice helpful.